Everybody is here. It's a big lineup. Let me just first. Morning. It is Sunday. And as usual, I'm going for a ride. As you can see, I now have the tiger with me. Arun had come, taken his street twin back. So today we are riding to Pocharam Dam. Pocharam Dam in Hyderabad. It's a showroom. Everyone needs to meet there by 5:30. The ride will start at 5:45. On the way, we'll stop at Adigas for breakfast. Nice. So good to be back on the Tiger. Comfortable. Extremely comfortable. So I got these new gloves from Rhinox, and I also got a jacket because I had overgrown the jacket that I'm currently wearing. Fortunately, this fits quite well. I think I've lost a little bit of tummy when I was not well. I was not well for about a week. I was down with extremely high viral fever. Okay, that's about me and what I wear and what I was doing. So now it's off to the Pocharam Dam with everyone. कितना दूर है और टू आडिगास? ओके आई थिंक पहले रेस्टोरेंट जा रहे हैं.
विकास भी मेरे पीछे आ रहा है.
हाँ, उसी ने हम लोग को लगा कि पता नहीं कौन सा रास्ता में जा रहे हैं, सही रास्ता है कि नहीं. वो लोग बहुत आगे चले गए. हाँ, पहले अडिगास जा रहे हैं, पहले उधर जा रहे हैं. पहले ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे ना. That's the lineup. Everybody's had breakfast, so everybody is full. Now we're off to the dam. The dam is not very far from here, so we'll be off, spend some time and then return. It's a huge lineup today, huge. 20 plus bikes, all kinds of bikes, not only Triumph. You have Harleys, you have Ducatis, you have an Indian Chief, Dark Horse, all of them, BMWs. It's a nice mix. Now it's off. That's a Trident. You'll pass right now. Yeah, that's a Trident. Off-road starts here for a little while. उसके बाद पोचाराम पहुंच जाएंगे टाइम. पूरा वाइल्ड लाइफ रिजर्व से भरा हुआ है हैदराबाद, मतलब तेलंगाना. అన్నా కొంచెం జరగండి. पैसा लगेगा फोटो का. मस्त है ना.